I made it so bad. The new one, it's so gross. Maybe it just needs sugar. This is Friday. She needs to be watered every Saturday. We have a lot in common actually. We both prefer the summer. We're very dry and tired in the winter and love the sunlight and the warm. So she's my girl. My camera died, so I'm switching over to my phone. I'm just gonna pack a small bag. This is my Hainsey bag. It says you're exactly where you need to be. This is from Hainsey, which is this cute clothing and accessory brand with this girl, Ellie Haney. We went to the same college, so I like to support her. I'm always indecisive whether I want to have one of those days where I bring my laptop to a coffee shop and like check my bank account, or if I want to have one of those days where I bring a book and read. I think I'm in the book vibe today. So I'm gonna bring this. This is a book I got from the this like bookstore that sells like $3 books. He does like different travel books and things like that. And I grew up like my dad always read these kind of books, but I was always interested but never finished them. So I'm trying to like get into the reading more. I have this. I have this. I don't know what shoes to wear. I also have to take my vitamins. So this is the rundown. Usually I'll do the seed. This is not a sponsorship. I actually purchased this from an influencer. This is the like daily symbiotic one. Sometimes I take them, sometimes I don't. My philosophy is like, if it's past like 11, I'm not going to take them because I feel like it's like a waste of a day. Then I eat something substantial. Then I will take the B12 quick dissolve. This is good for everybody, not even just vegans or vegetarians. A lot of people are B12 deficient. You just put it under your tongue. Then I also take this Garden of Life Women's Once Daily. I like this one because it's actually just one pill, as opposed to like some of the other ones. Like this one is a CVS one, and you have to take 3 of them to even get the like recommended amount. That's too much for me. And then I also take this algae omega, you know, my omega-3 substitute for not eating fish or things of that sort.
주색시요.
Gonna have it here. Honestly, I wish it was bigger. Actually, I definitely wish it was bigger. I think I'm gonna go for like these colors, and I have orange. They're not there now, but I have orange pillows. I want to like accentuate those colors. I got this in the mail. My sister sent me something for Valentine's Day. So let's see, I haven't read this yet. Happy Valentine's Day, sister. Cute bag. And this is here for you. This is what I was talking about earlier with the Hainsey bag. So just this little business card. Hainsey, you know, here for you. Sticker, little heart sticker. And then a keychain, as if I need another one. Love a little more. So cute. I love this. I'm gonna add it to my keychain right now. I think I'm just gonna wing it.
My stuff. I keep going shopping. Cooking videos. Homemade. This is what we train for, guys. Go.
Yeah.
That's why you're here, and that's what we're looking at today. My name is Nick Brand, and these are my Italian one-take property tours.
Yummy.
Thank you. Mmm. Yeah, that's good.
الحمد لله. شو قديرو؟
بس 3 دقائق على الوقت.